Hey guys, if you would like to play Monopoly Go multiplayer, here is how you can do it. So first of all, make sure that you have installed Monopoly Go application in your device. Once done, launch it. As it is so, get logged into your specific Monopoly Go account, you will see a page like this. Now, after you play the game and once you have the habit of playing Monopoly Go, you will be able to see various features and you will unlock them as you go forward. You will also see Friends button on your bottom right hand side. You have to tap onto it. As you can see that I have a lot of friend requests. Now it will give you an ability to simply go ahead and accept the friend request, and all the people that are friends in your Facebook or all the people who have connected their Monopoly Go account with your Facebook will also be visible here. You have to tap onto it, and that is the only way you can play Monopoly Go with your friends by tapping on the multiplayer button. That will be enabled once you pass some levels of the game itself. So, guys, thank you all for watching. If you have got any questions, leave them in the comment section. We will catch you up in our next upload.